If you want to connect your POCO X7 Pro to your computer, and if you want to transfer data, then the best way to do so is by using the USB cable. I have mine over here. This is not the original one, but of course in your case you should be able to use the original one as long as you have the USB port on your computer. So let me actually quickly connect the USB cable to the phone and then to the computer so that we can transfer data. There we go. Of course we will start charging. But without doing anything, I already have, I think, access to my phone, or actually not really. So let's see, we can open notifications, and then over here we have this information that we have charging the device by using the USB, but we can tap on this notification in order to choose file transfer / Android Auto. And now on my computer, I have access to the internal storage. So after that, if you open your PC, then you can find POCO X7 Pro. You can go over here and you should be able to find the internal storage. And you can find pretty much everything that you wish to find. Everything that you have on your phone is over here in these folders. If you want to transfer something from the phone, then of course you can simply copy it to your computer and vice versa. You can move files from your PC to your phone by doing so as well. If you don't want to use the USB cable, you can also use Link to Windows feature that can be found in the settings. Then if you go to more connectivity options, over here you will find Link to Windows. I actually made a video on how to connect with your computer by using Link to Windows and Phone Link app on the computer, so feel free to check that out as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!